Welcome to Hateley Motorsport. It's this dipshit's first race.
Big day, Tyler.
Hey?
It's a big day.
Yeah.
You nervous?
A little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah.
Think about it. What's the worst that can happen?
I crash the pits.
Okay, you can take the cake then.
Crash in the pits?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the worst that could happen would be you crashed and died.
No, because I wouldn't have to live with the embarrassment. You'll be dead, you don't care.
Shania, what shot can I put on?
4 of these.
Did you just say 4?
Yeah, I need 1 of these. Yeah. Oh.
I don't know. What?
Did you just say, what does that all mean?
Yeah, you go.
Oh, I got no idea.
No, that's the right front, I can tell you that much.
They have different numbers in them.
Yeah, so the higher the number, the stiffer it is. And we've got 2 numbers. So some of these have got like, say 5
Yours is a negative 10 then,
really
Steve.
stiff going down and really easy coming up.
Yep.
Yeah, so
He started to have to do his own work. What are you checking there?
Trying to get some more stagger. And the stagger is measured in the difference in circumference from your left rear to your right. No.
Thanks, educational Tyler.
Alright, that's 13.
Does that get you 13?
Yeah.
That'll be good. Spot on. That's what you want. 12.5, 13, yeah. It's pretty tight.
So why did we draw a pill? Well, why did we draw a
See what I draw a pill. Put you in your heat.
pill? Doesn't the time trial do that?
No. Because you're in heat groups for your time trials.
So do we still get to do that?
Yeah. You can tell he knows what, like, this bloke's been coming to the Speedway for 100 years. And he's just completely lost all notion of how it works here.
Wait until they ask me what colour flags are what. So I'm just going to red ones go.
We're going around flat out wide open, you know? Black flag? What's that?
Never heard of her.
Black.
Tyler, it's a miracle. I haven't seen this for a while.
Hey, God.
Steve working on his car.
Oh, you know which way to go.
My ex-crew chief over here.
Is working on his own car.
Like I am.
Because you have no choice.
Get out, who are you going to blame? Oh, I guess Shannara's here. Sorry, Jazz.
Probably. What heat are you in?
What?
What heat are you in?
We've got no heats, we've got time trials today. So Tyler's first race, he gets to have a go at time trials. I'm in group 2, and I've got to line up 2 and 3. Long story, but going to go time trials as an invert for the heat, and that's your finish. What you finish in your heat's your position for your final. So pretty simple format, something a bit different we haven't done before. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, I suppose. Tyler gets to do time trials his first run. He'll probably come down last.
What are you going in?
Hey?
What heat are you in? Or time trial, I should say.
Group 3.
Turn 2.
That's good. That's way better than sheep shit.
Yeah.
That was
How'd you go?
dry.
I don't know. Shit out?
And feel.
Good. Yeah, driving.
It's a lot hooked up. What I thought it was going to be. We can get the car to turn.
Couldn't you? We couldn't tell. You hit the wall.
I hit the fence.
First lap was, you know, we're just learning what this thing does.
Right.
By the end of it, you're doing all right.
A couple of laps I saw you do all right. Yeah, I only see one corner, but you were going around all right.
First one would have been a little bit daunting.
Hey?
How was the first lap? A little bit daunting.
Sphincter puckering.
No, actually, I wasn't that bad.
Nah, you know when you get out there, you can't like.
I was way worse before.
Yeah, you don't have time to think about it. Once you get on track, you're all right. Tyler, you need to go in a little bit more with your right rear.
He's got no idea, mate.
You got no idea,
No, I
but
don't.
just watching from the infield, you need to go out a bit right rear. And that's all I do. I just go out an inch on your right rear and leave it and see how it goes, see how it feels. You're pretty tight. That being said, you're not going in as hard as a lot. Nah. But I
I'm
think...
going in pretty heavy on the brake too.
Yeah. How'd your brakes work?
Good.
Yeah.
I rolled that whole rolling around. I was like holding on until I smelt them burning.
Yeah. And then they worked alright. Yeah, it might just be.
I nearly stopped over there because I pulled out of gear. I was just scared. Like I'm more scared in here. So I pulled out of gear like a Glenview and nearly did roll off the fucking gravel. So I nearly did make a right little dumb camera.
Yeah.
G'day, Tyler. How are you on this fine, marvellous day? You ready
Good.
for your first race?
Yeah.
Time trials went okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you came 12th out of 16.
Didn't die.
Yeah.
Didn't spin out actually. I'd rather die.
They didn't. Steve nearly did though.
That's yeah.
That
Steve-O's already tasted the concrete.
Yeah,
He told her I'd be there later on tonight.
You'll be there later on.
Yeah.
When you whiz past him.
I'll hit it for real though. Not this half-ass bullshit.
It's a bit of a tricky track, I'm not sure. See what Tyler does here, but you probably want to be running about where that car is now. Like it's about here. What? Yeah. That is nice, you get under yellow. That's his foot bounce on the accelerator when you're going over the bumps.
Yeah.
It's really hard when you're doing it like just idling around under yellow like that. Tyler, get up it.
I think he's just happy to go. He's done. was that, Steve-O?
Pretty good. He had a couple of really good corners there. He had a couple of good laps there. He was catching the guy in front of him. He's an experienced racer, so he went all right. He's got to stay in it a bit harder though.
He'll get there.
Yeah, he'll work it out.
From 1 to 10, how fun was that?
That's fun.
It was about 40.
I think he had a couple of really good laps there. You need to come up a little bit. You sort of run through the slick a little bit and then you're hitting the grippy stiff stuff and it sort of fucks you up a bit if you can get up that little bit higher.
Dave deserved a high five.
I'm going out for the final, starting out at 7. Tyler behind me did alright, he's coming in at 14. So yeah, first run he come in at 14, that's alright. We're not trying to do much here, it's just a bit of a fun show, club show. Trying to get some laps in for Tyler more than anything else, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can be towards the front come the end of the race.
Got it, bro.
Hey?
Are you ready to race?
Yeah.
What are you out of?
14.
14.
Outside row.
You nervous?
Not really.
You're good now.
Yeah.
You
Just want to do some laps.
stop shitting yourself.
Yeah. I stopped having a panic attack. So that makes life easier.
Yeah. Did you beat Steve-O?
Yep.
Yeah,
I did.
you did.
Didn't I?
Fair and
You're pretty
square.
happy about that, aren't you?
I want to see your pretty little lips say it.
Fuck yeah.
What happened to your car, Steve-O?
Yeah, it shut down. It was going good there. I was running 4th. I reckon I could have got on the podium pretty easy. Car was quick and then it just I don't know, it's like a loose plug or something. Every time I got into a corner, it just shut down and...
Not the ECU plug again.
Probably something like that, I reckon. Or the DFI plug, they got pretty bad for doing it. Yeah, just it did it in the heat. It shut down a couple of times in the heat, but I didn't, like, I'm like, I'm just imagining things. It was nothing, but then it got worse, so yeah. Yeah, literally the only reason I stayed out there was because I had to finish in front of you.
But you didn't.
But I didn't.
You win.
You should have seen my eyes when I was behind you. I was behind you for a lap or two, maybe.
Yeah.
Just trying to get around you. Because you were hugging the pole and I'm like, get off it.
That's all I was doing, just
I'd lost 2 positions, I think, trying to fly around the outside of you. Because I'd just step out and just go, hey, nothing. Because I really just wanted to see you blow, for you to see me blow around the outside. So it would have been real cool. But there's just nothing up there.
But he still beat you.
Every time we're out there, it's like, fucking die.
Got to admit, I would 100% claim it, so yeah, you got that one.
Who had the biggest
I knew you were going
smile?
to claim it if I pulled in. That was my problem. Like, nah, I can't pull in, Just got to roll the bottom. Got to hang on. And then they're like 3 more laps. I'm like, yeah, fuck yeah, I can roll the bottom for 3 laps. I'll hang on. And then like we're coming around that last corner, I just see you go, fuck! I'd have been happy if I'd finished 1 spot in front of you.